guys, welcome to Athena tutorials. This is Nagashri Bharadwaj. This is my first video on day-to-day math series and I'm very excited to start this video with one of my favorite topic, that is percentage. But before entering into the topic, let's understand the meaning of percentage. The word percent means per 100 or for every 100. For every 100, which can be written as per 100 or for every 100. They have split the word percent into two parts, that is per and cent. Cent is nothing but 100. Percentage is denoted by this symbol. I will take one simple example. Imagine yourself purchasing a pen and the cost of pen is 100 rupees. So you are purchasing a pen and the cost of the pen is 100 rupees. And the shopkeeper says there is 30% discount. So how much will you pay for the shopkeeper since there is 30% discount, and how to calculate this? Guys, it's very easy. So what is the discounted percent? What is the discount percent? It is 30%. And what is the cost of the pen? It is 100 rupees. So we need to calculate 30% of 100 rupees. So 30% is the discount value and 100 rupees is the cost of the pen. How I got this? See, earlier I mentioned percent means per 100. Right? Here they have given 30%, means 30 into 1 by 100, which will be 30 by 100. The same have written here. So we need to calculate 30% of 100 rupees. Then we get the discounted price. So 100 and 100 gets cancelled. So 30 rupees will be the discount value. Hence you will pay 100 minus 30, which will be equal to 70 rupees to the shopkeeper. So how much will you pay for the shopkeeper? It is 70 rupees. I hope you have understood this since it's very simple example. Now let's take another example and understand percentage better. So you are in a saree shop and you will find a beautiful saree and the cost of the saree is rupees 2000 and the shopkeeper says that there is 40% discount on this saree. Hence now how we will calculate the discount value? That is 40% of 2000. Right? So 0 gets cancelled and here 20 gets cancelled. So it will be 800 rupees will be the discount value. Hence you will pay 2000 minus 800, which is equal to 1200 rupees for the shopkeeper. My question is, will you have pen and paper to calculate this? Answer is obviously no, since you are in a shop. So I am going to teach you one simple way, but you have to listen carefully. They are saying 40% discount. and the cost is 2000 rupees. Okay, they are saying that for every 100 rupees, 40 rupees will be reduced. So, how many hundreds are there in 2000? Okay, so 20 into 100 will become 2000. So, there are 20 hundreds in 2000. Okay. If for every 100, for 100, if there is 40 rupees discount, then for 20, how much will be the discount value? It will be 20 into 40. So for 100 it is 40 rupees. So for 20, it will be 20 into 40, which will be 800. So 800 rupees will be the discount value. You will pay 2000 minus 800, which will be 1200 rupees for the shopkeeper. We got the same answer. This might look complicated for you guys, but if you understand this, it will be very easy to calculate the discount. Okay, now let's take last example for the session. An article costs rupees 2000. Imagine there's one article. Imagine this as an article, and the cost of the article is rupees 2500. And there is discount of 25%. So 25% is the discount. To solve this, for every 100 rupees, there is how much discount? They have given 25%, so 25 rupees will be the discount. So how many hundreds are there in 2500? So 25 into 100, it will be 2500. So there are 25 hundreds in 2500. So for 2500, what will be the discounted value? Let's consider this as x. So let's cross multiply. It will be 1 into x, which will be 25 into 25. What is 25 square? It is 625. The amount which you will be paying is 2500 minus 625 is the discounted value. 625, which will be 1875 rupees. You will be paying 1875 to the shopkeeper. Guys, there is a simple way to calculate the squares also, which I will be teaching in upcoming videos. Okay, that too number ending with 5. It is very simple to find the squares of those. Okay, I hope you have understood this. If so, please like, share and subscribe. Let's continue percentage with another topic in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.